ام کاتتان باش بخیر بن بو چانلی Learn and Explore. لم ویدیو دا باسی بشی یکمی چاپتری ششم دکین. Episode 6 The Stockade. سنگری برگریکا. Stockade واتا سنگری برگری. While Jim was ashore, the doctor now tells the story. لکاتک دا جیم لسر کنار دریاکه The doctor now tells the story. Esta دکتورکا چیروکا دگیرتو. It was about 1:30 when the two boats went ashore from the Hispaniola, and the captain, the squire, and I were talking in the cabin. It was about 1:30 دوربري ساعات يكو نيوبو when the two boats كاتك دوبلمكا went ashore روشتن بوسر كناري درياكا from the Hispaniola لا Hispaniola كناري كشتيكانا, and the captain وكابتنكا the squireaka and I woman were talking in the cabin. لناو كابينك دا قسمان دكر كاللير دا علي I مبستي دكتورك وكوتمان أنبشا دكتورك إيجارتو. Down came Hunter, who was one of the honest men, and he told us that Jim Hawkins had gone into one of the boats and gone ashore with the other man. Down came Hunter, لخوارو Hunter had, who was one of the honest men, and he told us that Jim Hawkins had gone into one of the boats and gone ashore with the other man. We trusted him, but we were worried about his safety. We trusted him wata siqa man peh habu yan bawar man peh habu kama bas dawe bawaran ba Jim habu, but we were worried about his safety. Balam ema khami salamati omabu. After a while, Hunter and I decided to take another rowing boat and go ashore in order to explore. After a while, wata dway mawek, Hunter and I, Hunter umin, decided to take another rowing boat and go ashore in order to explore. The first two boats had gone far to the right, but Hunter and I came straight in the direction of a stockade which we had seen on the treasure map. The first two boats, Dubalemi Yakam, had gone far to the right. Zor balai rasta roshtun. But Hunter and I came straight in. Balam munu Hunter rast hatin wata pecha nakirdoto rast hatun in the direction of a stockade which we had seen on the treasure map. In the direction of a stockade, wata ba araste sangere ki bargirida, direction wata arasta, stockade wata sangeri bargiri, which we had seen on the treasure map. كأما لسر نخشي جنجينك بيني بومان تواي رستقواتا دو بلمي يكم زور بلاي راس دار روشتن بلام منو هنتر براستي هاتين بأراستي سنگريكي برگريدا كلسر نخشي جنجينك بيني بومان. There was a man waiting in each of the boats on the shore. There was a man waiting in each of the boats on the shore. There was a man piawek habu waiting in each of the boats la har yekek la balamakanda chawarwani akert on the shore la kanari daryakada. They saw us but did nothing. They saw us wata bini manyan but did nothing. Balam hicha naked. When we landed, I jumped out holding 2 loaded pistols and ran into the trees. When we landed, katek gashtina wushkani, I jumped out Basam daya khwaro, holding 2 loaded pistols, du damanche milhatwo badast mao girtubu, loaded wata milhatwo, pistol wata damancha, and ran into the trees, wa ram kirdanao darakano. I had not gone more than 100 yards when I came to an open area and saw the stockade. I had not gone more than 100 yards. زیاتر ل 100 yard نرشته بوم when I came to an open area کاتێک کە گەشتمە شوێنێکی کراوە and saw the stockade و سەنگەری بەرگریەکەم بینی. There was a little hill that had a fresh water spring coming out of it. There was a little hill, wata girdeki bchuk habu, that had a fresh water spring coming out of it. Kakanieki awi paki leo ahata daro. Spring wata kani. A strong wooden house, which was big enough to hold about 20 people, had been built by this spring. A strong wooden house, Khanuiki Behezi Latakta Druskrau, which was big enough to hold about 20 people, Ka Awana Geurabu Jege Biskasita Abuawa, had been built by this spring. Lanziki Kanyaka da Druskrabu. Each wall had several holes in it so that muskets could be fired from inside. Each wall had several holes in it. Har diwarekan chankuneki tedabu. Wall wata diwar, several wata chandanek, hole wata kun. So that muskets could be fired from inside. Kadatuanra larage au kunano lanawa ba chak fishak ftakenit. Musket wata chak. All around, a wide space had been cleared, and then the stockade was completed by a tall fence. All around, Bachuardaurda, a wide space had been cleared. Rubareki frawan pakrabo, and then the stockade was completed by a tall fence. Wapashan sangeri bargiriaka, larrege parjineki barzawa tawaukrabo. Fence wata parjin. With its fresh water and strong walls, the stockade would be the best place for us to stay. With its fresh water and strong walls, ba'awa pakako diwara bahezakanyoa, the stockade would be the best place for us to stay. Sangeri bergiriaka bashtrin shen abed boema booi lebmenino. Suddenly, from across the island, there came the terrible cry of a dying man. Suddenly, Lanakau, from across the island, La Durgakoa, there came the terrible cry of a dying man. Hawariki samnaki piayak ahat ka lamerdanabu. I made my decision in a moment, ran towards the shore and jumped into the boat. I made my decision, Briari Khomda, in a moment, Lasategda, ran towards the shore, Baro Kanari Daryaka Ramkird, and jumped into the boat. Wahom Haldayanao Balamako. We were soon on board the Hispaniola again, where everyone was frightened and worried. We were soon on board the Hispaniola again. Bazui Gashtinoa Sar Hispaniola, Kakashtiakea, where everyone was frightened and worried. Kahamu Halkaka Tirsau Khambarbun. I told the captain my idea and we made a plan. I told the captain my idea, Birokake ba captain would, and we made a plan, Waplanik Mandana. We gave old Redruth 3 or 4 loaded muskets and left him on the ship to watch the 6 seamen that we did not trust. We gave old Redruth 3 or 4 loaded muskets, Sechwar Cheki Milhatuo yan Perfishak Mandaba Redruthi Bataman, and left him on the ship while Lasar Kashtiaka Bajeman Hesht to watch the 6 seamen that we did not trust. Bo'owi Chowdhury Aushash Daryawanabkat ka Emma Baorman Peanabu yan Emma Sikaman Peanabu. Then we started filling the boat with supplies, gunpowder, muskets, bags of biscuits, small barrels of meat and brandy, and of course, my medicine chest. Then we started filling the boat with supplies. Pashan destmankirba perkidini balamaka la shtumak. Supply wata shtumak. Shtumakakanish amanabun. Gunpowder, bubbling fishak, gunpowder, shteka oku fishakwa, muskets, chuck, bags of biscuits, jantai biscuit ka prankrolo biscuit, small barrels of meat and brandy, barmili pchuki goshtu sharab, brandy wata sharab, joriki sharaba, and of course, wabadulni ayo, my medicine chest, sanduki pizishkiakam. As we rowed to the shore, one of the seamen much further up the beach saw us and ran into the woods. As we rowed to the shore, kate ka Saulman le'ada bararui kanari dariaka, one of the seamen much further up the beach saw us and ran into the woods. Yekegla daryawanakan, one of the seamen, Yekegla daryawanakan, zor la saraway durgakawa emay biniw raikid bonaw daristanaka. Woods wata daristan. We unloaded the supplies and left Joyce, who was another honest man, to look after the supplies. Hunter and I returned for second load. We unloaded the supplies. Shtumakakan man daget, unload wata diagret, and left Joyce, wa Joyce man jehesht, who was another honest man, kayekeki dikabu la piawa dilsozakan, to look after the supplies. Buawi ka chowderi shtumakakan kat. Hunter and I, Hunter men, returned for second load. Garay na bo bari duam. Mabastawe ka garaw na to bolay balamaka, buoy bari kita dabgirnu bibano bolay sangari bargiriaka. The reason why we risked the second trip was that, though the majority of the crew were on the island, not one of them had a gun. The reason why we risked a second trip was that, Hokari awi ka khomakhsta matersiya wa bo bari duam yan bo safari duam awabuka, though the majority of the crew were on the island, lagal awi ka zorbei zori dastaka lasar durgakabun, not one of them had a gun. Tanha yeki kishan damanchegi penabu. When we had unloaded after the second trip, Hunter and Joyce stayed ashore and I rowed as fast as I could back to the Hispaniola. When we had unloaded after the second trip, Katek ledway duam safar barakamandagir, Hunter and Joyce stayed ashore and I rowed as fast as I could back to the Hispaniola. Hunter Joyce lasar kanari dariaka manoa and I rowed as fast as I could, waman hataw kubitwanam bakhirai solum leada back to the Hispaniola, booi kabgaremo bo Hispaniola. Then the squire, Captain Smollett, Redruth, myself, and one other sailor, Abraham Gray, climbed into the boat. Then Pashan, the squire, Squireka, Captain Smollett, Redruth, and myself, Wamin, and one other sailor, Waikikidika la Daryawanakan, Kanawi Abraham Graybu, climbed into the boat, Swari Balamakawin. This fifth trip was dangerous. Am safari penjam matirsidarbu. There were too many men, and we were also carrying another load of supplies. There were too many men, piawiki zori lebu, and we were also carrying another load of supplies. Waema bariki dikashtumakman pebu. The sea had become rougher, and several times some water came over the side of the boat. The sea had become rougher, daryaka sakhatirbu, and several times wa chanjarek, some water, handek au, came over the side of the boat. Lalay balamakawa hatanao. Suddenly, the captain said, Lanakaw kaptanakawuti, look behind us, the gun. Saydi duawamankan. Damanchaka, kalera damabastila damanchaka mabastila topi kashtiake. The 5 men left on board were preparing to fire the cannon. We had forgotten all about this big, powerful gun. The 5 men left on board were preparing to fire the cannon. Pinch piaoke sarkashtiaka, hoyan amada akid buoika topagapta cannon. Cannon wata top. We had forgotten all about this big, powerful gun. Batawawi amchaka gauro bahezaman labir kirdabu. Israel was Flint's gunner, said Gray with fear in his voice. Gray ka trisla qsakirnake adyarbu wuti. Israel was Flint's gunner. Israel fishak takeneri Flintbu. Gunner wata au kasi ka fishakaga atakenet ya au kasi ka au topa atakenet. Trelawney, who was the best of us with a gun, loaded his musket. Trelawney, who was the best of us with a gun, kabashtrini emabu badamancheakawa, loaded his musket. Mili chakake henao. We stopped rowing and then he took aim and fired. We stopped rowing, la sauledan wastain, then he took aim, wata mishtigirt, and fired وتقيكر. Just at that moment, Israel Hand, who has been loading the gun, bent down. Just at that moment, wata halokatada, Israel Hands, who had been loading the gun, Israel Hands, kamili damachake ehenaewa, bent down, hoy nushtando. The shot flew past him and hit one of the other men on deck. The shot flew past him, fishakaka awiteparand, and hit one of the other men, wa yaila yekigidika lapiawakan labashi peshoe kashteka. Then we heard shouting from the ship and also from the shore, where we could now see the other pirates coming out of the woods. Then, Pashan, we heard shouting, Guman la hawar kirdinbu, from the ship, la kashtekawa, and also from the shore, waharwaha la kanari daryakawa, where we could now see ka esta amantuani bibinin, the other pirates, chatagdaryayakani dika, coming out of the woods, la darstanakawa ahatan. It was not long until a shot from the cannon fell right by our boat and she began to sink. It was not long, katikizori penachu, until a shot, tauku fishekeg, from the cannon, la topakawa, fell right by our boat. La tanishti balamakamana yaiba arza, and she began to sink. Wa dastikid ba nokumbun, mabastaweka balamakan dastikid wa ba nokumbun. Luckily, we were not far from the shore. Luckily, wata khoshbachtana, we were not far from the shore. Ema la kanari daryakawa durnabuin. As we walked through the waves and up onto the beach, our poor boat and about half of our powder and supplies lay underwater behind us. As we walked through the waves, Kateg Banau Shapolakanda Aroshtin, and up onto the beach, Wabosarawa Bo Kanari Daryaka, our poor boat, Balaman Damawakaman, and about half of our powder and supplies, Wanzike Niwe Powderu Shtumakakanman, lay underwater behind us. Kautnajer Ao Laduamano. To make things worse, we could now hear shouting coming from the woods nearby. To make things worse, we could now hear shouting coming from the woods nearby. Amantuani gumanla hawan kredinbit kela darstanakani nzika wa ahat. Amshiwaza bashiyakami chapter ishashkotay hat, tauku bashi doatan khwatan lagal.